In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp web video call not working. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is reload the WhatsApp page. For that, click on this icon given at the top left. Next, check your browser permission. For that, click on this icon given at the top left. Now here you're going to find the option of camera and microphone. Make sure you have toggle on for these options. In case it is already enabled, disable it, wait for some time and enable it again. Next, check your computer's privacy settings. So click on this option, site settings. Verify that your web browser has permission used to camera and microphone. Click on the drop down for each one and set it to allow. You should also close any other application that might be using your camera or microphone. Apps like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or other video conferencing software can prevent WhatsApp web from accessing your camera. Next, make sure you have stable internet connection. Video call requires a reliable connection, so check that both your computer and your phone have a strong internet connection. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. For that, head back, search for WhatsApp web. Once it appears, click on the trash icon for it and confirm the deletion. Next up, navigate to this section extension. If you are connected to any VPN or proxies, disable it. And that's it. With these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.